Hi friends, welcome to Hibernate interview question series from Knowledge Powerhouse. Let's go on to our next question in the series. Question is, what are the key characteristics of Hibernate? So the key characteristics of Hibernate are Object Relational Mapping (ORM) framework, JPA Provider, Idiomatic persistence, high performance, scalability, reliable, and extensible. So these are the 7 key characteristics. Let's understand each of these one by one in detail. So Hibernate, as we know, provides ORM capabilities. So we can write our code in object model like Java, and then we can connect this code with the data in relational model. So object and relational models are mapped by using this framework. Then Hibernate provides an excellent implementation of Java persistent API specification. So JPA specifications helps us in working with multiple database without changing the code. So this is a very good feature of Hibernate. Then comes the idiomatic persistence. So Hibernate provides persistence based on natural object-oriented idioms with full support for inheritance, polymorphism, association, composition, and the Java collections framework. So in Hibernate, we have full support for all of these things, which are OOPS concepts, and it can work with almost any database for persistence. So that also is a very good feature of Hibernate. And then comes performance. So Hibernate provides high level of performance. It supports features like lazy initialization, multiple fetching strategies, optimistic locking. So with all these, the performance is very good. And Hibernate does not need its own database tables or fields. It doesn't use its own metadata kind of a thing. It can generate SQL at system initialization to provide better performance at runtime also. So that way we get very good performance when we use Hibernate. Then comes scalability. So we have seen that Hibernate works very well even in multi-server clusters, in cloud computing. So it has built-in scalability support and it works well for small projects as well as for very large business software. So in many scenarios it works very well. Then comes reliable. So Hibernate is very reliable, the code doesn't break so soon, and the framework is quite stable. Due to this, it is accepted worldwide and it is very popular among developer community. Most of the Java users, they use Hibernate for their projects. Then comes extensible. So Hibernate is quite generic, so we can extend it, we can configure it, we can use it with different database schemas, we can use with different programming language. It's very extensible thing, so we can use Hibernate in different scenarios. So let's reiterate the characteristics: extensible, reliable, scalability, high performance, idiomatic persistence, JPA provider, and object relational mapping. So these are the key characteristics of Hibernate.